Perplexity just dropped Comet to everyone in the world. Millions of people were waiting for this. This is the new way to use the internet. So I'm going to show you exactly what this means for you. Okay, so let's talk about what just happened. Perplexity just opened up Comet to the entire world. In the last 84 days, millions of people joined the wait list. That's millions of people waiting to get access to this, and now it's here. So what is Comet? It's a personal AI assistant that changes how you use the internet. Think about how you search right now. You go to Google, you type something in, you get a list of links, you click on a link, you read through a page, you go back, you click another link, you try to find the answer yourself. It takes time. Comet is different. Instead of giving you links, it gives you answers. It searches the internet for you. It reads all the sources. It gives you one clear answer with citations, and it does this in seconds. So why does this matter? Because the internet is changing. The way we find information is changing, and Comet is leading that change. Let me explain what makes Comet different.
Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So Perplexity just released something called Comet, and this isn't just another chatbot. This is an AI that can actually control your browser. It can click buttons, fill out forms, buy products, send emails, and do pretty much anything you can do online. But instead of you doing it, the AI does it for you. I spent hours testing this thing with 10 different tasks. Some worked perfectly, some didn't work at all, and some results shocked me so much I had to test them twice. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this AI can do, what it can't do, and whether you should be using it right now. But first, let me explain what Comet actually is. Most AI tools just give you text answers. You ask a question, they give you an answer, that's it. Comet is different. It can actually browse the web like a human. It can go to Amazon, compare prices, add items to your cart, and even check out. It can go to your email, read messages, and reply to them. It can schedule meetings, book restaurants, and do research across multiple websites. Think about how much time you spend doing boring tasks online, checking prices, sending emails, looking up information, scheduling stuff. What if I could do all of that for you? That's exactly what Comet promises to do. Now, before I show you my tests, you need to understand how this works. When you give Comet a task, it doesn't just search the web like Google. It actually opens websites in a browser. It can see the page just like you can. It can read text, click buttons, fill out forms, and navigate between pages. It's like having a virtual assistant that can use any website. But here's the crazy part. It can do multiple tasks at once. While it's checking prices on Amazon, it can also be looking up reviews on another site. While it's composing an email, it can be researching information to put in that email. This isn't just automation. This is like having multiple people working for you at the same time. All right, let's get into my tests. I gave Comet 10 different tasks to see what it could actually do. Some of these tasks were simple, some were complex, and some were designed to break it. Test number 1 was cleaning up my email. I told it to unsubscribe me from all recent marketing emails in my inbox, especially from brands like Grok, X, and Google. Now, this is something that takes me forever to do manually. You have to open each email, scroll to the bottom, click unsubscribe, confirm you want to unsubscribe, and then do it again for the next email. Comet went straight to my Gmail, it opened up the marketing emails, it clicked the unsubscribe links, it confirmed the unsubscriptions. And it did this for multiple emails automatically. In about 2 minutes, it had cleaned up my inbox better than I could have done in 20 minutes. This alone saved me so much time and frustration. Test number 2 was scheduling a dinner with friends. I told it to schedule a dinner with Sarah, Mike, and James for Friday at 7 p.m. at a restaurant we all like in central London, and to create a group message to confirm. This is a complex task because it involves multiple steps and coordination. Here's what blew my mind. Comet didn't just send one email, it created a proper group email with all 3 people. It suggested restaurant options in central London. It created a Google Meet meeting as backup, and it even included a calendar invite. This is the kind of task that usually takes me 15 minutes of back and forth emails. Comet did it all in one go. Test number 3 was price comparison shopping. I asked it to compare the price of an Instant Pot 6-quart on Walmart and Target to see which one was cheaper, including shipping. This is something most people do manually by opening multiple tabs and checking prices. Comet went to both websites, it searched for the exact product, it found the prices, it checked shipping costs, and it gave me a clear comparison with links to both products. It even told me which one was the better deal. This kind of research usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. Comet did it in under 3 minutes. Now here's where I want to pause and talk about something important. Test number 4 was finding a recipe. I asked Comet to find a quick and healthy recipe for chicken stir fry that takes under 30 minutes to cook. This seems simple, but I wanted to see how good it was at finding specific information. Comet found multiple recipe options. It filtered them based on my criteria: quick, healthy, and under 30 minutes. It gave me ingredient lists, cooking instructions, and even nutritional information. What impressed me was how it compared different recipes and recommended the best one based on my requirements. Test number 5 was general browsing and research. I told it to browse the web to find the top 3 trending books on productivity right now and where to buy them cheapest. This requires research across multiple websites and price comparison. Comet found 3 books: Atomic Habits by James Clear, Deep Work by Cal Newport, and Getting Things Done by David Allen. But it didn't stop there. It checked prices across Amazon, Target, and other retailers. It showed me where each book was cheapest. It even included links so I could buy them immediately. This is the kind of research that would take me at least 30 minutes. Comet did it perfectly in under 5 minutes. Test number 6 was the most impressive one. I asked it to find a recipe for vegan lasagna, then add all the ingredients needed to my Walmart cart automatically. This combines research with actual online shopping and cart management. Comet found a vegan lasagna recipe. It made a complete ingredient list. Then it went to Walmart's website, searched for each ingredient, and added them to my cart. I'm talking about specific items like Nasoya refrigerated soy extra firm organic tofu, great value smoked paprika, great value garlic powder, and everything else needed for the recipe. This blew my mind because it's not just finding information, it's actually taking action on that information, it's making purchases, it's managing my shopping cart. This is like having a personal assistant who can actually buy stuff for you online. Test number 7 was YouTube research. I asked Comet to go to Julian Goldie CEO's YouTube channel, that's my channel, and summarize the main tips from my latest video. I wanted to see if it could analyze video content accurately. Comet went to my YouTube channel or analyzed the content and gave me an accurate summary of the main points I covered in that video. It even pulled out specific tips and actionable advice. This shows it can understand and analyze video content, not just text. Test number 9 was another podcast research task. I asked it to summarize Sam Altman's most recent podcast interview and pull out key takeaways, quotes, and new AI insights. This requires finding the right podcast, analyzing the content, and extracting the most important information. Comet found the most recent podcast with Sam Altman. It gave me a detailed summary with specific quotes. It highlighted the key insights about AI development. It even organized the information in a way that was easy to understand and actionable. This is like having a research assistant who can analyze hours of content in minutes. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about these results. Test number 10 was the most complex one. I asked it to find upcoming AI conferences or webinars happening this month and add the top 2 most relevant ones to my Google Calendar with links and times. This combines research with calendar management and requires integration with external tools. Comet searched for AI events happening in the current month. It evaluated which ones were most relevant based on my background and interests. Then it actually added events to my Google Calendar with all the details including links, times, and descriptions. This is end-to-end automation that saves hours of manual work. This is exactly why I created the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where I teach business owners how to use AI tools like this to scale their operations and save hundreds of hours every month. We currently have over 1,000 members who are using AI to automate their businesses and increase their profits dramatically. But remember, AI tools are only as good as the person using them. You need to understand how to write effective prompts. You need to know how to break down complex tasks into steps the AI can handle. You need to know how to check and verify the AI's work. This is why training and education are so important. You can't just buy an AI tool and expect it to magically solve all your problems. You need to learn how to use it effectively. You need to understand its capabilities and limitations. You need to develop systems and processes that incorporate AI into your workflow.